Welcome to Tech with Tahir YouTube channel. My name is Tahir. In this video I'm gonna tell you how you can see or how you can check your saved collections on Instagram. For example, if I save this save this post into my collection by clicking this button. As this post is saved into my collection, how can I check, how can I see that where is it saved? Like, I save this post into my collection by clicking on this. I save this into my saved collection. How can I check the where is it? So to check it, I have to press on that icon on my account, and here you can see those posts are not showing anywhere that I have saved. Those collections are not showing here. To check the saved collection, you have to click on these three lines, and here's the option of saved. We'll just tap on this saved option, and here you can see all the collections you have saved into your Instagram accounts. So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.